Hello and welcome to this Griply tutorial for beginners. You're busy, but are you actually productive? Most people spend their lives checking boxes on a to-do list that has absolutely no connection to their long-term dreams. You've got a task to email a client sitting right next to buy milk. But where is the task that helps you launch that business or run that marathon? This is called the action purpose gap. And it's exactly what Griply is designed to fix. Currently, Griply has evolved into the most fluid goal-first productivity system in the market, bridging the gap between your daily grind and your life's vision. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to set up Griply from scratch. We'll dive into the liquid glass interface, map out your life areas, and build a goal roadmap that actually works. I'll show you how to turn abstract ambitions into daily habits and how to use the integrated calendar for professional-grade time blocking. Also, if you want to try Griply yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below to try it out for free and follow along with me. So once you get to Griply, you're going to have this page. And of course, you can see at the top right here, log in or start for free. You can also see the same button right here. And of course, you're going to click on start for free to begin. And this is a welcome page. On the left side, you can see some details welcoming you and giving you a general introduction about Griply. You can plan, track, and achieve your goals. You can also align your task with the big picture, basically aligning your task with other aspects of your life. And then of course, you have the build habits that drive results. On the right side, you can see how it looks on mobile, precisely iOS, and of course on desktop. So we're going to click on continue, and this is what Griply is all about. Which life areas are part of your life? So you can check these boxes or uncheck those which don't apply. Of course, you have things like work and career, sports and health, love and relationships, down to family and friends, fun, relaxation, spirituality, etc. So we're going to click on continue. Of course, you can decide to choose a skip button, but this helps you to set up things. And of course, it's just a nice idea to follow through with the flow. So we're going to click on continue. Then here it says, what are your two most important goals at the moment? And then right here, you can see goal name and then life area, goal name and life area. And then of course you have some options right here. Start my own business, run a marathon, lose weight, pay off debt, close 10 deals, etc. The list goes on, but of course it's you, so you get to choose what applies to you. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to click on start my own business. And let's say invest 30K, right? For start my own business, this is for business. So we're going to come over here to personal development and then invest 30K. We're going to say money and finance, right? Of course, these actually look the same in terms of the life area, but we're just giving you these ideas. You need to put in what applies to you. Click on continue, and then you need to enter a habit. So in order to start a business, you might need to say plan your day, so this can be done every day. And then for the other goal, we could write save profit, right? You could say that, save profit. And then of course you have every day. If you don't have this every day, you could say completed every, say we're going to do this twice a week or 3 times. And then say save. So we're going to click and continue. As we're going through our tutorial, it's important for us to keep the mental connection on, which is Griply is connecting your tasks with your life goal. So these are tasks, but it has the goal, which is a life goal belonging to a life area. Click and continue. And then it says, what are the 3 things you'd like to get done today? So we could say wake up early, do research, and of course, let's say write a business plan. Great. Click on continue. Then of course it asks you what is your current work situation. So you get to choose what applies to you. So we're going to say freelancer in our case. And then you're going to write where you heard about Griply. And we're guessing you're listening to this on YouTube. So we're going to choose YouTube. And it says create your account or continue with Apple. So as you can see, we've provided our name, email address, and a password. So we're going to click and continue. And this is our Griply dashboard. Of course, it starts at goals under life. Now, the biggest mistakes many beginners make in Griply is treating it like a standard to-do app. If you just start dumping tasks into the inbox, you're doing it wrongly. As we've shown you in the introductory parts, Griply follows a strict hierarchy. You have your vision, what you like to do generally in life, And then you need to specify the life area, which of course is what we actually selected while we were coming in. And then of course you need your goals. Now these are the goals which will support life ideas. Now for these goals to stay alive and to be achieved, you need habits. And then after habits, you need to work with tasks. Now when we go over to the life areas, you can see work area and all the other ones we saw before. We're going to click on work just to give you an idea of what you can see inside. Now, this is work and career. You're going to click on write your vision. So go ahead and write something about your life, which is your vision. So what is your vision? Spend a few moments to think about this if this is what you're looking at. And then of course, write some details. You have some hints right here saying a vision creates a compelling picture of the future, your future. It has a personal meaning for you. So you can go ahead and see the tips. Dream big, define your passion, be specific, visualize your success, reflect, and adjust. And then right here, you can actually add a picture to your vision. So once you see it, you know that this is just signifying what you might have as an idea of your vision icon. Now, since this is clear, under life areas, we're going to go over to habits. So now that we have the big picture, we need to build the engine that gets us there. This is the habit tracker. Of course, as we clicked on it on the sidebar, you can see the option to add a habit right here. Treat habits as separate from your work. While in Griply, you link habits to goals. So if your goal is to invest 30K or to start your own business, when you create a new habit, select a link to a goal. So we're going to click on habit. So as you can see right here, we're going to click on habit. We have 2 habits already while we're coming in. But of course, you can click on new habit and you're going to say draft a business plan. Great. So of course, you want to put an icon on this if you're on the premium plan. Then of course, you have your schedule. Under schedule, it's a drop down and then you get to choose if it's on specific days or a certain number of times per week. Again, this can be only allowed if it's on the premium plan. So if you're just starting and you're not on the premium plan, you could of course decide to choose Wednesday, click save. We could decide to do this rather. So of course we have each Wednesday and say Friday. So click save and then you'll need to complete this 1 time per day. So of course you have the start date. We're going to say 30th and then click save. And there you have draft a business plan. And that's how you get to create your habit. At this point, I would like to remind you that if you want to try Griply yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free and follow along with me. Now let's look at tasks. You're going to navigate over to the today view and then right here under all day, you can see some tasks already here. Of course, you can see that these are some of the tasks which we created, which all support the habits, the goals, and ultimately supporting the life area. So once you come on to Griply, click on today, you're not confused about what you need to do. You just simply need to go through with all the tasks and follow up with them, understanding that the big picture is that these tasks are by the core connected to your goals and your life areas. Again, if you click on your life areas, you can see that money and finance and personal development do have active goals. And of course, in your case, you might want to choose other areas which you might want to have active goals. And you also have the completed tracker. So if you've completed any of these, you're going to have it right here. Now, we talked about Griply as an all-encompassing life builder. What if you have other activities? You might still feel disjointed because you might have some activities in your Google Calendar or your Outlook and you're busy creating more schedules here. Well, here's how to fix this. You're going to go over to the top left corner, click on Leonard Banks, which is your name, of course, and then click on Settings. And under Settings, you have Add Calendar. So once you click on Add Calendar, you have Add Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar. This is where Griply works as a calendar and has the feature of time blocking. With Griply, once you connect your Google Calendar or your Outlook Calendar, it's going to help you with managing your tasks and while you're creating new life goals. So for example, if you're creating a new goal or a habit or a task and it's going to clash with something on Google Calendar, you will receive a notification right there to help you understand that there will be a clash. Now here's a pro workflow for time blocking as well. You can go over to upcoming and then right here, you'll need to find your high priority task which you committed to for your goals. If you're on the premium, you'll be able to drag and drop any of these tasks directly in your calendar. Then of course you could resize the block to set the duration. You might have noticed that some of the features require a premium plan. So if you click on your name again, click on try premium for free, and then you see the pricing details. If you want to pay monthly, you can be paying at $4.99 per month. But of course, if you want to pay yearly, you'll be paying at $2.50 per month, thus saving 25% of what you would spend if you were paying monthly. And then of course you have the lifetime payment at $199.99. This is a one-time payment for everything. So if you hate subscriptions and you want a tool that will grow with you for years, this is the best value. Griply is an app that actually connects your why to your what. To succeed with this tool, start your vision. Define your 9 life areas first. Then set 3 big goals. Try not to overwhelm yourself, so you can start with just 3. And then link your habits. Make sure your daily routines are fueling these goals and not disjointed. And then the time block. Use the calendar to defend your time. If you follow this system, you stop feeling busy and start feeling purposeful. Also, if you want to try Griply yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free and follow along with me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.